Set sail on the pretend seas with Gabby and Mercat on the new cat friendship. This awesome 18-piece Gabby's Dollhouse playset features a pool with a smoothie bar, a disco with a light-up disco ball, and a photo booth. My little Nunu was thrilled to open up the ship and get all of the accessories in place. The cat friendship opens up and they can dine in style below deck before flipping the dessert buffet to reveal a DJ booth. Nunu loved creating a little dance party by twirling them around using the thumb wheel. And this came with a sheet of stickers, so Nunu and I had lots of fun getting everything in place. But it wasn't long before she was wanting to get out there, pour the water into the pool, and get her Gabby and Mercat playing in the sunshine. We were thankful enough to have the deluxe figure set as well. So out came all of the Gabby's Dollhouse friends. The Gabby's Dollhouse kids toys are a great preschool toy and gift for kids. The Gabby's Dollhouse is sold separately, but it is the ultimate set for your little one.